Hello, I'm Daisuke Yamamoto, Technical Consulting Engineer with the Cisco Tech ACI team. Today, I show you how to install and use the Cisco ACI app called CLI Command Collector. The CLI Command Collector was developed by tech engineers. This app allows users to search for CLI commands and collect their output from multiple ACI nodes, and APIC spine leaves simultaneously from a single point in the app UI. Let me briefly introduce three benefits with this app. First, users no longer need to open multiple terminal windows or manually enter command on each window when they collect command outputs from multiple ACI nodes. Second, the import feature enables users to easily collect command outputs when they import a custom import file. This is particularly useful when users need to collect command outputs from the same command set multiple times, or when tech requests specific command outputs from specific nodes. Third, with the template feature, users can select a predefined template design for each type of issue and easily collect command outputs relevant to that specific issue by relevant node selection. Before you use the app, you need to download and install it. To download the app image from the DC App Center, use the APIC GUI and navigate to the Apps tab. Then navigate to Install the Apps tab and click the Download Application button. To find and download the CLI Command Collector app image, type CLI Command Collector in the search box of the DC App Center. Once you have downloaded the app image, click the Add Application button to upload the image to APIC. Then, enable the app to complete the installation. Once the app is successfully installed, click the Open button to launch the app. When you first use the app, you need to save user credentials with admin privileges in the setting menu. These credentials are used for API access to APIC and the SSH access to each node. The app is now ready to use. There are three options available to select the nodes, from which you want to collect command outputs and execute commands. They are in order. First, command selection menu. Second, import menu. Third, template menu. In this video, I show you the first option. For more information on the other two options, you can refer to the help page in the app at the bottom of the left menu. Click the command selection button. This displays the node list at the top of the page. Select the node from which you want to collect command outputs. For this video, I selected all APIC nodes. Next, select the command you want to execute from the command list. You can also use the search box to filter commands based on special keywords. For example, type version in the search box and you see only two commands display. They are show versions and ACI diag version. Click the plus button next to each command to select them. For this example, I select the show versions and ACI diag version commands. Then click the next button. Some leaf switches are displayed as nodes. Select leaves 3, 4, 5, and 6. Next, in the search box, type show interface and select show interface ACC0 count as commands from the suggested options. Please note that ACC0 is not a valid value, so you need to replace it with a valid value. In this case, type Ethernet 1/1 instead of ACC0, then click the next button. Repeat the same process for each node type. For this example, I skipped the spine box and spine chassis. At the final stage of the command selection menu, you can review the nodes and commands that you have selected. Once you have reviewed them, click the Submit button. The app then starts to collect the command output from the nodes you have selected and based on the command you have selected. Once the command output collection is complete, the result menu automatically opens from the drop-down list. Select a node to view the collected command outputs. Click the plus button at the top right to add a result view for an additional node. This allows you to view the command outputs of up to 4 nodes simultaneously, displayed horizontally on the screen. You can also download the command outputs as files. You have two options. First, click the Download arrow button at the top left. Then you can download the command outputs for all the nodes collectively. Or you can use the Download icon button at the top right corner of each node. When you click this button, you can download the output file specifically for the selected node. For any questions, please contact ACI App Center-CLI Command Collector at cisco.com. Thank you for watching this video.